Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, look at how beautiful weather. That's my roosters and all that. I got like 20 of the little ones. Alright guys, let's see what we got going on here. Stihl TS420. Guys, remember I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough, and the one sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish at the end. Voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, look at this. Ooh, I got two of these like that. Alright, one it says the muffler because it's missing the muffler. Alright. I think they have mufflers there, but it's been a long time. I don't check. I'm not gonna check now. Let me clean that a little bit to see where we're at. Look at that, guys. Huh? Look at that. Oh, stop it. No. Oh, I can't. Oh, too much for me. Oh, God. Look at this, baby, huh? Talking about beauty, huh? Alright, guys. It's been a beautiful day down here. Let me see from the top. Oh, it's not going to be that easy to see, but the flash is not going to tell me, but it doesn't look that bad either. Alright, you can see there the coil and the flower. It looks almost brand new. So far it says the muffler. We're gonna find out what the heck is it. Okay, and look over here, guys. Look at that clutch, almost in perfect condition. I think this is a good machine. Good machine. Alright, let's see what we got here. Remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken equipment, damaged equipment. They are for parts, not to be fixed. Something has to be wrong when this machine end up in the place they end up and I pick them up. Okay, don't forget that. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, you can tell it's in good shape. Filter here is dirty. This is dirty too. You got here this, and you got that. Okay, remember guys, I take everything apart like that. I can take good pictures, okay? Alright, enough is enough. Let's heat it. See where we at. Alright, see, we're good. Alright, we're good there. Alright guys, real quick, let me see if you guys are watching. I think I'm going too down. Yes, things always fail. My phone, I guess, is too heavy. Alright, this is a poplar that came. I'm gonna put one on mine. You know me, I always trust my babies. Oof, I like the heavy duty stuff. You know me. Well, I think I got the wrong one here. Alright, that's the one. I'm a mess. I know. What's that? Okay. Oh shit! I don't put the handle. It was gonna happen the same thing like the other day. I was gonna do the test without a handle. I know, guys. I know. Robert, what's going on with you, man? I know. It's Miami, guys. It's Miami. It's the place. This is the place. You know. Alright, we got it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna tie him up that much. Stay with me, guys. We're almost there. Alright. Okay, we're good. Let me see if you've seen something there. Yeah, at least you got to pick something. Alright, we're gonna hit this little baby here. Let me see where we are. Stop, half shock. Alright, we have, yeah, half shock. You see a lot of arrows showing there. That's not good. It means it's broke. You can see. I like this. I love this company. Look at that. You can tell already Houston will have a problem. Alright, we're gonna give it a shot like that anyways. It's funny. Put it with a mark every time you got a problem. Alright, cool. Okay, it says here star. Okay, okay, okay. I received a comment the other day, a guy talking to the machine like pets. Alright guys, you know I love cats, I have dogs, I have cats, but I also can feel this. My God. Woo! Wow. Oh, that's why the shock was on. I wonder. Wow. Incredible. Alright guys, you have it here. Any questions, anything, you let me know. Alright? Okay. Oh my God, this is perfect. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya vieron ya. Wow, me dejó el oído en candela. Todavía estoy que no oigo nada. Bueno, mi gente, ya vieron ya. Por lo menos sabemos que la ladera funciona, el flywheel funciona, lo que es el coil funciona. Todo está en, no sé decirte, en perfectas condiciones. Esta compañía, cuando yo los compro, no tengo quejas. Y aquí sabes que la tetica se fue. Y hay problema en. A ver, esta que está. Esta dice mofle, pero el mofle está aquí. No entiendo por qué dice mofle. Dice mofle. Y el mofle está aquí. Bueno, no sé por qué le habrán escrito esa mierda. Es alguien que no tenía nada que hacer. Bueno, ahí vieron todo más o menos. Cualquier cosita aquí estamos. Si tienen una duda o algo, bueno, que se una a la raza.